Hey, 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 come on in, come on in. You know what time it is. You see what we're doing here. You see what vibe we're on right now. We have already the face done. Check out that video. If you made it here to see the eye look from watching that video, thank you so much. Hope you did subscribe. So on this side of town, we're gonna go ahead and get the eyes out of the way, and this palette is very practical. It's like a full-blown mirror on the as the packaging. The Patrick Ta Major Dimension. Don't ask me which one, but it's this one. It's this baby we're about to play with. I think it's the third one that they came out with. We're about to play with a few of these shades. I want to stick closer to the warmer browns and stuff on here to give me a nice smoking look and add a little bit of shim to the lid. I'm happy with this palette. This is my first Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette, and I'm not mad at the decision. So let's go ahead and get the eyes out of the way before we hop on to the next video to finalize the look and go on our merry way. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush here. We already have on the lid a little bit of concealer. We did have setting spray setting the full face. So let me go ahead and mix this on the lid because it's separating, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a powder to set it. Alrighty, so here we have it. Let me pull you guys closer. Okay, with this palette, I said I want to stick to the warm shades. There's a paste on here, cream shadows and stuff, I meant to say. Yeah, let's go ahead and start with this one here. This palette is so nice. Let me get a bigger brush. That other brush we can go back to for the crease. Let's use this deep brown. For those hooded eyes, girlies, you gotta keep your lids open as you're doing your shadows to know exactly where the shade's going. Because if I close my eyes, I do one thing. When I open it, it's something else. The trick is not to close your eyes. Keep them open. Alright, I think that's about it. Let's just build up on it a little. Getting any fallout. This palette is nice. It's luxe. Alright, so we did that. For the inner part of the lid, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my lid, which is this one here. It's deep, but I just want to get that smoky winter look. I spoke too soon. I'm getting fallout. know what? Let's just put the paste down on the lid first to give me something for the shade to stick to. I'm gonna use the other end of the brush. Oh yeah. So now with the other side, the powdery one, press it onto this. I'm not sure if we could leave the cream as is to get that wet look, if it would do any good, but the powder sets so nicely on top of it, y'all. I'm liking. Now, why didn't I get this sooner? That's always the question. Back to the original shade, just to get something to blend the edge with. Back and forth situation to make sure everything layers nicely. Now on top of it all, this is nice. Oh yeah. Them shim-shims. I want to get this one. This one right here. Do I use a brush or my finger? Let's try my finger first. Okay. We are holidaying right now. We're feeling the spirit. That's what the spirit sent me. This is nice. Let me try the other one. It seems like it's a different formula. Oh my gosh. It's nice. I didn't expect to get there, but we made it here. Now, do I care to use these shades as liners? I'm not gonna put no liners. I'm gonna do a quick, what about my under eye? Like my lower lash. My lower lash needs love too. I'm gonna keep it dark. I'm gonna keep this one on the lower lash. And I'm using a really teensy small brush. Not all the way to the front, but to the inner part, which is gonna be the halfway. I feel like the under eye should be brighter. Let's add on this Laura Mercier Translucent Honey shade to the lower, to the under eye. finishing powder. I know what girl thinking. What was the whole point of doing the luminosity when she goes back and powder her face even more? Listen, the layering of the powder does the trick to making your makeup lasting at the end of the day. And no matter how much you go through, this also helps. You layer, you spray, you layer, you spray, you layer, you spray. You see, by the end of the day, your face still look beat. Okay? I know, because I'm doing 16 hours shifts. I'm doing 12 hours and 8-hour shifts after that with a full face of makeup on from night to day. So I kind of at this point know a little bit of what I'm talking about. Okay, the glue never went nowhere. It's still in the bottle waiting for you to use it. So slap it on, slap it back on, put a little layering of powder, set the face, highlight, do whatever it is you need. I'm feeling so heavenly right now. You guys. Talk to me nice. Like I got somewhere to be. I have important people to see. This face is gonna be showing itself, and you know, sign up some deals or do whatever. You know, like yo, this is nice. What? Okay. Lashes, mascara off camera. Let's go ahead and finish the lips, and I'll see you guys with the full face done. Hopefully you enjoyed the eye look. I enjoyed this Patrick Tar palette. It's been long overdue. I may just get me the other ones if I get my hands on them. I'm not gonna buy the small 6 size pan. I'm so sorry for that price. I'll rather get me the bulky mama. I can have more variety as I'm on the go. So this is it. Enjoy, my loves. Hopefully I see you guys on the full face one and the next